Hey family, thank you so much for subscribing on my YouTube channel. My name is Waswa Emmanuel. Hope you guys are fine. Wow. I'm just so excited. Do you know that it's my first time to be at this place, the so-called Didiz world? It's my first time. I have never entered this place, the so-called Didiz world. I remember those days when I was still young, my friends could go to Didiz world. The buses could come at school. Hey, we are going to Didiz world. So, for the first time, today's case, I've just come here for. I didn't know that I was coming here actually. I was called by manager Roger, that is Spice Diana's manager. He's the one who told me that we are going to have a video shoot of Spice Diana at Didiz world. So I was like, oh, I can't miss out to visit this place for the first time. So I have decided to come and see this place and how it works. Man, it's the first time Daranga Sirimba. Wow, but unfortunately the place is closed. Yeah, but I can see a bit of Mizanga and Bidabano, a motoka. Bibino, which take it the Bibio, you know, right and Monoka in this world. You know, young kids used to come here, so many of them. But next time, if the bars are open again and the prisons open this place again, I will come here. Njakujayo, Zijenchare Yoko, but the name changed from Didiz World to Wonder World. I've said I've been at Charibato, Gabotagena from Didiz World or Rozovota Ambude. Gagobera Fala, name the Sajako Safnam Sogo. So it's good that I listen to Zayoko, integrate away performing. But it's closed. Can never come in a Yokozanisiwa, Katinda Bauchino, Chevaita driver's right. Eh? Never got 12 years old and 2 years. Kateche Swachi Beram. No, Yamete Miagajang, I will sit it up. Daggy. Never baggies rights. Boarding up baggy, those are. Katia, I will not see now Kakodio. Didiz world, but the name changed from Didiz world to the so-called Wonder World. This one is so-called. I don't know the name of this one, but let me turn around and move for around it. How they call this thing? Kanonye. You know, my God. I'm going to be Amaalo, at my tender age. But the place is nice, it seems. Katindaba chino chintu chino bachiyita batya chino ekyesuubo neky'abaana bato nakyo noonyamu ekyemyaka gyange sikiraba ndabako 2 years and they must be escorted by parents. Bachita chain. Awo nawo sijjamu. Ndi ku maalo njolesa tewali kirala. But you have to speak the truth. Kati oba kino kye bayita batya. Olwo kino kandabe. Entry by tickets, no cash. Kikino. Kati kino bakyalinga kitakyo. Amanyiko ng'okomentinga bino byalinga bikola bitya. You know, bengera kino. Nakyo ndaba kyesuubo baana babidigidirangamu. Nebeyagala nebeyagala bambi, you know. Anyway, abana batole mife bino nga bakyali bato baleme kukula babonebone nga ffe. Kati ndaba buli kimu kipya sikirabangako, you know. Abadde Spice Diana yandese onangamba wa Emma, come for my video shoot. Ngeza okubanga mbayisa mu katolo kino ndoza kyebeta train sibwe kiri eno bagiyita tropical truck eno era tekuli ffe ba myaka 2 bano ndabako myaka 9 3 n'emyaka 9 kanenyerenyeyo webati ndi kumaalo njolesa. This was the train. People used to enjoy it. Batunyumiza navuze train nenjitambuliramu nengamba train zibeera nene nga zino zemmanye ez'okukubo oba nemunaye wow kandabe. Wow, I can see the rails. Train y'abaana bato kati bajjanga kuno ne beeyagala, you know. So growing is good. kati singa saakula ani yandibadde andeeta mu Didiz World bannange. Tell you but I've just come here when there are no people actually. The place is closed, but everything seems to be nice. It seems during the happy days people could come and enjoy. Munefe bino twabirabiranga ku TV tetwabitegeeranga oba okitegeera bulungi nnyo buladi wange. So we are still moving around. My first time at Didiz World. It's no longer called Didiz World, it's called Wonder World. But I think many of the children used to come here, but era byalinga by'abaana ba mu kibuga ab'omu kyalo tebajjangayo. Okitegedde. I used to hear something called octopus. Kanyinoonye nabe weeri octopus gye bagambanga. I can see, I think there is something here. But I can see it's a conjunction now of East African University with the so-called Wonder World. I think here you used to come here and take sodas and water. See what you did? As I'm seeing. Okitegedde. Naye kanyambuke mpola mpola. Ndabe. Yeah, things used to happen. Bintu byakyalo. Abaana mbatwale nga before bino baleme kubeeranga Emma. Didiz World is a very big place. Nawulira nga mpulire Didiz World. You know, nga sibitegeera. But now, I've brought myself here. You know, kangenda beko. Unfortunately, the place is closed. But we are moving around to see how the so-called Didiz used to be like, Wonder World. As I'm enjoying my first place. This is the octopus. Baji tugamba ngeno bannange. Nabadde ku octopus konze Bambi 12 years of age. Myaka 12. Oh, kitegeeza nze w'emyaka 3 sisobola kujjayo eno bannange. You can see. Eno gye bayitanga octopus. Oh, yiyo. Mukakasa bangi temugimanyi nammwe. Naye munansegerera. Eno. Yawubanga wait. But due to COVID-19, all these places were closed. Abantu tebachajjayo. As you're waiting for COVID to go off, musobola kujja mweyagale bannange. Ogirengedde. Eyo gye bayitanga octopus eyo. Wow. Octopus. But it's good. Bw'ozaala omwana wo ng'akyali muto. Make sure if your kid asks for, maybe want to go to visit zoo, give him or her money. Omwana aleme kula nga alina amaalo, omwana akulenga ebintu abimanyi okitegedde. So I think briefly this is Didiz World. It's a nice place. By the way, missed. Singa ku myaka gyange emito nafuna omukisa osanga nange nenzijjawo. I could be the one telling stories about Didiz World. Naye saasobola kujja eno. I'll thank YouTube and I'll thank my career of being a journalist. Osanga singa sali munamawulire sandi jideo dala naye because of Spice Dana. Maybe I've come. I've come and I've enjoyed the place. Next time I will come to this place. Nga waliyo abantu nga it's having life in it and I will enjoy. Besides, there is a university called East African University. Kulembera omuvuzi w'emmotoka z'empaka gwe bayita Sanalwi, I think so. So it's a good place, nice one to visit. Next time I'll come with my money, with my family, with my friends. Nzije nkyale nga balungi nga wanyuma okutambulirako naye nga leero I can see the foundation is just good. N'ebisigadde biri okay, tebirina buzibu. Okitegedde.